How to verify your Discord account. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to verify your Discord account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To do that, let's head over to our Discord, and from in there click on register, and then type in an email that you want to use. So for me, I will use this email right here. Click on next, type in a password that I want to use. Then after that, I can just click on next right here. So just pick out the username first for that. So let's type in this username and click on next again, and then type in your birthday. So for example, my birthday is this right here. Then click on create an account, and then let's verify first that we're human. So as you can see, this will load, so let's just wait for it. And now let's enter the captcha. Select all images containing an animal. So let's click on those images, click on verify, and this will verify us in Discord. So we can actually put in a profile picture that we want to use and click on next, and then allow search by email and number and click on next again, and click on not uninterested. Click on X right here, and as you can see, we have now already created our Discord and have already verified our account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to verify your Discord account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.